Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a wise life melody, step by step. We'll explore the foundational elements, or bricks, that contribute to a harmonious existence. Think of your life as a beautiful song, and each intentional choice as a note. By understanding and applying these principles, you can construct a life filled with purpose and joy. Let's begin by defining what truly matters to you. To lay a strong foundation, first identify your core values. These are your guiding stars, shaping every decision. Next, dedicate time to self-awareness. Understanding your inner landscape helps you navigate life's complexities with greater ease. A simple 10-minute daily mindfulness practice can significantly sharpen your focus and emotional intelligence, building a solid base for your wise life melody. Now, let's construct the structure with consistent habits and clear goals. Break down your larger aspirations into small, actionable steps you can take every day. For instance, dedicate 30 minutes to a positive habit like reading or physical activity. Regularly reviewing your progress, perhaps once a week, helps you stay on track and make informed adjustments, ensuring your melody continues to evolve beautifully. Finally, to harmonize your life's melody, embrace continuous reflection and growth. Regularly look back at your experiences, learning valuable lessons from both successes and setbacks. Always seek new knowledge and skills. This expands your perspective and keeps your mind agile. Remember, challenges are not obstacles but opportunities for profound personal development, adding rich, complex layers to your unique and wise life song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.